Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the real problem. Is it electrical, loose, or cosmetic? Remove the base cap and inspect the NFC/sensor area. Clean with 90% isopropyl and a cotton swab to remove corrosion. If contacts are bent, gently reshape with a small flat tool. Once done, power test the portal and figure to verify presence or absence of read. You're now ready to open the figure only if the portal still fails to register. You'll remove screws from the figure's foot and lift the shell apart. Keep screws and small parts in a tray so nothing gets lost. Inspect the battery clip and any solder joints. Cold joints show dull gray. Reflow carefully with a low-temp iron. If a plastic tab or clip is cracked, use a tiny drop of superglue to stabilize, clamping briefly. Once mechanical and electrical fixes are in place, reassemble and test on the portal before final sealing. You finish by closing the shell, aligning tabs, and tightening screws just until snug. Over-tightening can strip plastic or misalign the sensor. Test the figure on multiple portals to ensure the issue isn't the portal itself, and try a different base if available. If the figure still won't read, the NFC coil or internal antenna may be damaged. Replace that module or transfer the internal tag to a new base. If anything goes wrong, recheck contacts and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.